Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got another how-to PC video for you. In this one we're gonna be talking about the Snipping Tool, which is like a screen capture program that's already in Windows, and also another utility that's already in Windows, which is the sticky notes. We're gonna start with the Snipping Tool. You can just go to your Start menu and type Snip and select it from the list. It has 4 different modes. Freeform, which lets you draw a shape and it will snip whatever's inside of it. Rectangular, which lets you draw a rectangle and it will snip what's inside the rectangle. A window snip, which if you have a window open, so say that I have a browser window open like this, I can select Windows Snip and I could select just this window and it would just take a screenshot of what's inside here, or I could select the whole window that's the full desktop. And that's also what this last snip does here, a full screen snip. So let's do a window snip and let's just take a snip of this. Now that we have a screenshot of this, you can just file, you can save the snip, if I can, save the snip, and it defaults to pictures right now, so I'm just going to call it snip 1. I'm going to hit save, and now when I go to my folder and look under pictures, there it is. So you successfully saved that. You could, if you're trying to show somebody something, you could email that to someone, or if you wanted to set something as a background of a picture that you've taken, and had online, and you couldn't save it to your computer for some reason, you could use the snipping tool to get a screenshot of it, save it for your records. So that's the snipping tool. We're going to close out all that stuff. Now we're going to look at the sticky notes. We're going to go down here, and you can scroll through this list and find them. You can see sticky notes here, but you can also just type it in down here in the bar. I'm going to click on sticky notes, and you'll see what it does. It does have some different options. I'm not going to enable some of this stuff right now because I just want to show you what the sticky note's capable of doing. So you can set your reminders on it if you wanted to, have you a checklist of things. You can create multiple sticky notes and you can drag them around on your screen, and you can actually restart your PC and they'll still be here. When you open sticky notes up, it's going to remember which ones you have. You can change the color of them, and of course you can delete them. So that's just a pretty neat little utility that can help you remember some quick things and help you stay maybe a little bit more organized. This is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. We'll see you again in the next video.